Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Cooking with JJ. Did you know that in 2001 they came out with purple ketchup? Well, it wasn't very successful. A lot of people didn't really like the color purple with their ketchup. This was discontinued in 2006. Well, I think I can change your mind with this purple food. I'm going to be making a purple sweet potato gnocchi, and I'm sure you're going to be drooling by the end and wanting to try it with me. I'm really excited to get started on this recipe, and of course, enjoy it in the end. So without further ado, let's head over to the kitchen and get cooking! First of all, I have our purple sweet potato here. We're going to puncture some holes in it and bake it in the oven at 400 Fahrenheit for an hour or until it's soft enough to mash. So be sure to check on that, okay? And we'll cook it directly on the rack as well. And you can have something underneath in case you're concerned about any oozing, just in case you leave it a little too long. And it goes. We'll slice up some shallot. Chop up some garlic here. I'm going to be using some fresh oregano and fresh thyme. We'll just peel off the leaves. The more tender part of the stem is fine. I'm just slicing the oregano up a little bit. It's not as big. So we'll cut open our purple sweet potato and see how it is inside. Since we have some shriveled skin, it's a good sign. Yes, it's quite soft. We'll scoop our filling out and then place it in our bowl over here on the side. Beyond their stunning color, did you know that purple sweet potatoes are considered a key superfood in Okinawa, Japan? As seen in the Netflix series Live to 100, Secrets of the Blue Zones, Okinawans have some of the highest concentrations of centenarians in the world, and they traditionally eat a diet very rich in these nutrient-dense, antioxidant-filled purple sweet potatoes. If you have a ricer, you can use a ricer instead. Of course, you want to make sure your work surface is thoroughly cleaned. Take a purple sweet potato, put it in the center. And we want to incorporate the dough until we feel that it is not too sticky. The secret to light, fluffy gnocchi and why we bake our purple sweet potatoes lies in the starch content. Too much moisture means you have to add more flour, resulting in dense, heavy gnocchi. Baking helps concentrate the natural starches and removes excess water, giving us that perfect texture. Here's our dough. We're gonna let it rest for 30 minutes. We're gonna get some fresh lemon juice here. Added our shallots into our hot pan with some olive oil. I'm going to add in our white miso paste, our coconut milk, 400 milliliters, add a little bit of salt, add in a little nutmeg, add in some of the herbs, and our heat is on low right now, and I'll turn the heat right off actually. Add our nutritional yeast, and adding in some of the lemon juice. Add in some freshly ground black pepper. You may want to add some starch to thicken it up, but we'll see once we get our pasta cooked, because the starches from the pasta may be good enough. So our 30 minutes is up now. We're going to divide our dough into 4. Now we'll create some ropes. I want to roll them out about like 3/4 of an inch thick, more or less. The same thickness is the main thing. You might want to get your water boiling as you cut your gnocchi. I'll make the design of our gnocchi. You don't want to overcrowd the gnocchi. Make sure there's some space in between as you add them in. As you can see, our gnocchi is floating. Scoop it out. We'll mix our sauce with our gnocchi and add a touch of olive oil to the pan. Add some vegan parmesan if you wish. And your herbs. I'm adding some thyme for the garnish. It's that time again, everyone. I get to try our delicious purple sweet potato gnocchi. It's super simple to make, super delicious. I highly recommend trying to make your own, at least once. The miso really adds to the depth of flavor in this gnocchi. Gotta love the wonderful sweetness from our purple sweet potato. I made this purple sweet potato gnocchi for the first time, and I have to say it turned out phenomenal. If you have trouble or you get a little bit confused, feel free to drop me a line down below if you have any specific questions and need some help. I'll try to help you out as best as I can whenever I'm available. It's really interesting how our creamy sauce became pink with the coloration of the sweet potato or purple sweet potato. That was pretty cool. And this might be a good choice for Valentine's Day too, although we're not wishing for winter yet, are we? We're trying to hang on to as much summer as we can around here in Toronto. So there you have it, everyone, another delicious recipe to add to your recipe booklets. And remember, if you like this video in any way, shape, or form, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and be sure to hit the bell notification icon so you get notified whenever a new video comes out. Until next time, this is JJ signing off, keeping things interesting in my kitchen and in yours. Buon appetito!